Creating presentations can take hours, but what if AI could do it in minutes? Gamma AI promises to generate polished presentations, documents, and even web pages from a simple prompt. But is it actually the best AI presentation tool in 2026? Let's find out. Introduction. Gamma AI is an AI powered presentation platform designed for people who want professional looking slides without spending hours on design. And instead of building slides one by one, you simply describe your topic and Gamma creates the entire presentation for you. AI presentation generation. Gamma's biggest strength is speed. Enter a prompt, upload notes, or paste an outline, and it automatically creates a complete presentation with structured content, layouts, and visuals. You can also ask the AI to rewrite text, expand ideas, shorten sections, or adjust the tone without leaving the editor. Design and collaboration. Unlike traditional presentation software, Gamma focuses on clean, modern designs that work well without requiring design skills. It also includes built in templates, AI generated images, interactive codes, and embeds real time collaboration for teams, easy sharing through a simple link instead of sending large files. These features make it useful for business presentations, education, marketing, and client proposals. Pricing and limitations. Gamma offers a free plan with limited AI credits, while paid plans unlock more AI usage, premium templates, branding options, and advanced collaboration tools. The biggest limitation is that highly customizable presentations may still require manual editing. Also, some AI generated content should always be fact checked before presenting. Who should use Gamma AI? Gamma is ideal for students, teachers, business professionals, startup founders, marketing teams, anyone who frequently creates presentations and wants to save time. If you need pixel perfect design control, traditional tools like PowerPoint or Canva may still be a better fit. Final verdict. Gamma AI is one of the fastest and easiest AI presentation tools available in 2026. It combines AI writing, modern design, and collaboration into one platform, making presentation creation much faster than traditional methods. It is not perfect for every advanced design project, but for most users, it is an excellent productivity tool. If you found this review helpful and useful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let me know down below in the comments which AI presentation tool you would like me to review next. Thanks for watching and goodbye.